Welcome on my YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is about tinkering, home lab, and in general IT stuff. I'm in my new home on the attic, and out there is the server rack where I have pretty old devices, like there is some HexPoE, which is used for mostly switching, so this device is not so efficient in doing this. That's why I ordered few new parts, new components, and I would like to invite you to take a look and do some unboxing. So out there I have one new package, one of few of them. So let's take a look what we have here. Okay, so there is 48 volt ADC adapter. It delivers 2 amperes, and this is dedicated for my new switch, which will be mounted here, and yeah, basically designed for Mikrotik directly. Here is the next package. Let me take a look how to open it. Here we go. So here you have name of the device, CRS112, and as you can see, this device has 8 ports which are powered. This is PoE device, so I will be able to power some additional devices which I have here, like Ubiquiti recorder. Downstairs I have some Ubiquiti cameras, so I will power up those devices from this switch. And of course, let's take a look what's inside. So here we have the quick guide, yeah, so in multiple languages. Then we have basic AC/DC adapter, and this one is 28 volts and 3.4 amperes. So it's mostly used for powering up this switch. However, it can be also used if some other devices require about 24 volt. So here is the cable, and here we have the switch itself. So this is white box. There is information that this is Cloud Switch series switch, and it looks pretty solid. This is metal package. Out there I have admin and password. In the new devices they are putting information on the sticker. So as you can see here, those are the Ethernet port and yeah, gigabit Ethernet, and they can be powered by PoE. Here I have the 4 SFP port as well as the console port. So it's yeah, pretty solid. Nothing fancy on yeah, there are just some meshes to have the ventilation. There are 2 DC in, so I'm able to power up this device with 2 adapters, and basically one is this 28 volt, which I mentioned, the adapter, and the second one will be this 48 volt. So yeah, that's really nice. And I believe, yeah, in the package I forgot to mention, there are also mounting. Let me take a look. Yeah, we have some mounting brackets, so I will be able to mount this device directly into those places with the screw. So as you can see, it will be mounted something like this and put it into the rack. Nice design. So at least it won't lie like this one in the shelf. And then out there I have pretty huge package. So let me open up this one, this big boy. In addition, I ordered some LSA knife, which allows me to pin Ethernet cables into the patch panel, because out there I have also the Netrack patch panel with 24 ports. This is compatible with FTP cable category 5E, and the nice thing about it is that it will use only half of the U. We have the Netrack itself. As you can see, it fits only in the one port over there, so it's pretty small. Out there are there is ground cable, so I'm able to connect it directly into this server rack. And out there, I guess, yeah, I don't have the screwdriver, so I'm not able, maybe I will be to open it, how it looks like inside. Okay, how to open it? Okay, so it's going up a little, yeah. Okay, I was able to slide off this one. And as you can see, there are ports where I can put directly the Ethernet cables. And then I will be able to easily plug there some small patch cords. Those are like 25 centimeters. And I will just plug them there and connect into the switch I showed earlier. I guess that's it, what I got in this package. Thanks a lot for being there and taking a look on my new setup, which we will of course put later on in this server rack. Thanks a lot, take care, and bye bye.